Okay. We are here at 4200 South Huron Street in Inglewood. We are getting ready to record some duct work for Jennifer Cassidy. Make sure we can see. Switch this over to this side. Already putting in heating. We're scoping the duct work. So if you want to be does that help? See? No. Just trying to see where you can see it better. No, that won't help.
You want me to hold it?
No, you're alright. I
It's
just wanted to
up
see.
right here. Do you want me to?
I just wanted to make sure you guys can see it.
Okay.
Grab that.
Okay, we're going to the furnace, right?
Or the furnace, correct?
Okay, what do we got here? Alright, what do we got there?
There it looks like a transition.
Okay, so now it's going further. More further in. Oops. I gotta go to the spot where the furnace kicks it in. Are we past that?
No, it shouldn't be.
Because right now we're looking at the side of the ductwork. Okay, so we're getting close. Whoa, back up. What we got there? Okay, so there's a branch. Right?
That's just a transition
What do you mean by
in the
transition?
ductwork.
Mm-hmm.
So there's a sheet metal comes in like 4 8-foot sections,
Okay.
and that's how we connect the ductwork. That's just a seam.
Right, okay, so that's not a branch off of there.
No, that should just be a seam.
Okay, yeah, see if you can move it to the other side. Yeah, because we keep looking at the side. Okay,
Yeah.
good. There's another transition.
That's the thing about this.
Okay, well, we dropped. So it looks
Coil.
like, so where's the coil? Okay, hold.
Okay, yeah.
You're pulling it back? Okay, well,
See, there's another seam.
there's another seam, right? Okay, so
That is the collar on the top. What you're seeing here is black.
right, that's the drop that comes out, okay?
That is the drop there.
So we can see all of that. Now, can you get by that, or is it just gonna drop in?
That's gonna just drop it in.
Now, can you move it around so I can see if that ductwork goes that way?
So we back up.
Ooh. Okay, so that's where it comes up, right? That's where the furnace comes up.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what I want to see is if that ductwork goes that way.
I can tell you right now. And it does. It does go that way.
That's good. It does go that way because that's what feeds the rest of the house. Because that's the main duct that goes from that end of the house to that end, to this end of the house, right?
Correct. Yep.
So then, okay,
So yeah, it definitely does go that way. Just there's no way of jumping it. You know, of making it go.
you're right, your camera.
Yeah, the camera.
Okay, so it goes that way.
Yeah, it definitely.
So what is, yeah, there's, it goes up.
That's the meant to go straight.
And I don't see no damper in there. Yeah, it's stuck. It's not moving at all. You can see that. Okay.
Actually, it.
Yeah, your camera's stuck. I mean, you can't go any further because you just kept shutting down.
I don't know.
Looks like
if
that thing goes up, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's got. Because in order to feed the rooms, it has to go either the same direction. It doesn't go up, but it's got to continue because that's not the end of the house, right?
No.
No, this is like where that hallway, when you're in the hallway and the thermostat is right here and those intakes. And then you have to go down the hall
To get
to the three rooms. And remember the one at the end is the one you guys couldn't get any air coming in that you opened up.
Yep.
And then there's also that bedroom to the left that has one in it too. That is working. But yeah.
Okay, so then we go this way because I'm just wondering if this goes this way and goes here, or if that's just.
Yeah, that goes.
I'm gonna leave you with my card.
That goes. I'm gonna do this.
Oh, okay.
And then also I wanted to remind you about remember the ductwork that we
Oh, in the bathroom. Well, that would be on the end of this.
Oh, I thought it went this way, remember?
Yeah, well, that's what we're going to find out next. Yeah, you're not going to be able to jump in.
Because it looks like a cab. It almost looks like a cab.
It does. Isn't that weird? Oh, wait a minute. What is that? There's something there. Look at that.
Well, that's where it goes up.
Weird. That is a weird spot, isn't it? Yeah, because look. Look at, there's something right there. What is that?
So that's the black stuff? That's the canvas connector?
Oh, okay, so that's the canvas connector.
But
That's
the
fine. Okay.
part of the sheet metal on the top is the one that's getting me.
That's what's getting me too. Yeah, so if that's the ductwork that comes up, then this, I don't know whether there's a duct that goes up like that or what.
Yeah, it's shooting kind of like that.
That's kind of a
It
weird,
shouldn't. Yeah,
it's kind of a weird configuration, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it is a little
It is a little strange.
slightly.
And it is right, here. Right? It's right over
Yeah.
the top of this.
It's right on the top of it.
And I don't see anything going up. You know what I'm saying? On top of this duct, this main duct. I don't see anything going up. So. Oh, look.
Yeah, so I can still see the ductwork going that way.
Oh, okay. Then look at this right here. Look at this. Look at this offshoot right here that goes up to this.
Yeah, that's a register for the room upstairs.
Right. That's a register for the bathroom. This might
Okay,
be
yeah.
for the bathroom. So that's a register for the bathroom. And it comes right out of the top, just like you were saying. Right?
Yep. Yeah, they're all gonna be like that just because that's how we used to hide the in between the.
So that's what that is. But that is weird. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, yeah, no, I agree with you.
That is really strange.
Well, maybe you know what?
Because that black is the back side of that
Yep.
of the flex, right?
Okay.
That is really weird. But it's hooked with a screw, with a sheet metal screw.
But she must be. Yeah, this is.
It's hooked, so
It shows we should be able to see straight, but we're not able to see straight.
you can't go any further because you're hanging up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, we should be able to see straight. I don't know why it seems like it's blocked right there.
Exactly.
I don't know why it's looking like it's.
Why is there a slope going up?
Yeah, that I cannot.
I can't fathom that one. Okay, well at least I know where to go. You know what I'm saying? That is strange. Because that's definitely isn't that definitely a sheet metal screw?
It is.
And it's not even a pivot because I could I could think that was a damper that moves up and down, okay, but that if it's a sheet metal screw, it's not a pivot point.
Yeah.
It's not a pivot point.
Do those rooms down here get any air?
Oh yeah,
know?
I think they have been getting.
They have getting air. The rooms on the basement on this end.
Right, I think that's where most of the air conditioning is. I don't think you're going to be able to jump into you. Yeah, you're getting different angles. You really are. coming back to that same. I'll have to cut into this to get there. So there's definitely one that goes all the way that way.
I mean, I can do it as long as you patch up the ductwork. You want me to cut it?
What's that?
You want me to cut it? I can cut it, but you have to patch up the ductwork.
Yeah, I mean, I can.
Is that okay?
Well, you could just drill in there,
Drill
and
in
then
there.
you could get your camera and go
Go
further.
that way.
Okay. As long as you don't run into the coil.
It is.
That's weird, isn't it? That little spot is weird. Yeah, that's what I do anyways. I like to cut them off.
I don't know. I should have tape where I could be able to put up.
Right, we could put tape on it until I can get it. Because that don't take much to put in the caulking and some sheet metal screws, right?
Yeah, just a little square piece of sheet metal.
Well, look, they've already done it. Yeah. That's how they put their probes in.
Yeah, they did a Delta T test. Oh, so there's two registers. You see them right there?
Mm-hmm.
The top? See the top there? The openings?
Oh, yeah. Well, if there's that deal, look.
So those two openings there, those two squares?
What, right
And-
here
yep,
and here?
Those, one of them's for the bathroom, the other one goes for whatever room on this side.
And there's that one deal. Ooh, what do we got there? Back up. Back it up. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and all those squares you see on the top are going to be all taps. All
Okay,
taps.
yeah, what is that?
What is that? So all those squares are going to be the registers for the upstairs.
Right, the registers for the upstairs. Okay, that's good. What's that? It's just some debris in there.
It looks like there's some water damage has been there. Do you see the water marks?
Yeah, I see that. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so can we go further down the duct, or you?
Yeah. Let's roll closer. Go and just pull back usually is the easiest way.
Yeah, when you pull back, you can go slower. Oh,
So that is about the end of it. So that would be 20 feet from here. I would say 18 feet because we went 2 feet over. So 18 feet would be the end of the ductwork. From
right,
the
and
back.
And that's where we think we were, that's where we think there might be a problem in that bathroom. Because that's a bathroom. Okay, so what is that?
That is a register for the basement. 17 feet. Maybe the bedroom on the very far, or the bathroom.
Right, right.
So all it is just an opening.
Right. That's
I would say
just
a
an
bathroom
opening.
just because of the hair.
Right. That's a bunch of hair.
15 feet.
Transition. Where they put the deck together. Right, that all looks good. Yep. That's another offshoot.
Close,
Okay,
yeah.
and then you drop down into the coil.
Let's see the condition of the coil. Yeah, this thing's brand new.
Yeah, it looks really good. Okay, good. So we didn't find anything.
I mean, with the ductwork,
So, well,
it's very, very, like, when I say very, very rare, it's almost slim to none.
right, but I still haven't seen a transition done. Okay, so the main is this way and then everything goes that way.
Everything is going to be on the top side. On the top side, and it's going to just, like I said, like this one is just going to, we're going to tap in, we call it takeoff, so they're just 90s like that, little short 90s that we just take off, and then there's two 90s. The problem with sticking the camera into those registers is they're not meant to go through two 90s like that.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah, well, I'd be worried to get the camera stuck, you know, and then have to do demo work to get it out and stuff like that.
Yeah, oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, I worked at the wastewater plant
Oh, this
for
is
7 years. It's the wastewater plant.
oh.
And they would run cameras and underground lines and stuff like that. Yep. Big paddle wheels on them. They would make them this big, this big. And they could take them and
Oh,
this way.
oh,
they're,
God.
they're beautiful cameras.
That sounds expensive though.
Oh, yeah,
Oh.
it was fairly expensive for sure. Big camera.
Yeah, I'm sure that these right here wouldn't be worth to them any, you know, it wouldn't be very useful to them.
Okay, so can you give me a look this way to see if that's just a thing?
Understood, yeah. I mean, really?
Yeah, those cameras are
Wow.
cool.
See, that sounds like a toy to me. I was like,
It is a toy.
to be able to
He sits in his truck.
get to places where nobody else can.
Yeah, he sits in his truck. He sits in his truck
Oh,
and he's
wow.
got a little joystick and he goes.
Oh, dude, that's too much.
Yeah, it's
That guy
great.
should not get paid for that. Oh, wow.
Wouldn't that be cool to have something like that?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah, I sat in his truck many a time looking at stuff. Yeah, there's a lot, looks like a lot of hair and stuff in here. Okay, what do we got there? What is that? Is that a turn?
Maybe just a cat.
How far in are we?
So.
Oh, wait a minute. Okay,
Oh,
look.
wow.
What the heck is that?
That's a big opening that shouldn't be there. Wow, you just found something. Somebody cut a hole in the sheet metal, and that's preventing air from going upstairs.
Yeah, because this
You
is the
found
one that
it.
goes upstairs.
You found it. No, you found the problem. You definitely nailed it. There's no way. So that hole right there,
Right? Is where?
11
It's
feet.
right there.
It's got to be in this corner here. Oh wow, here's your problem. You're losing all the air right there. So whoever did that, they didn't do it right. So this, that was like a handyman sheet metal work.
Right, so does this dead end right here?
It dead ends right there. But the thing is, whoever cut that,
Oh, they didn't patch the duct.
didn't patch the duct. So you're losing all this air here. You're losing it to
The
behind the
inside
wall.
of this, inside the walls.
Inside the wall. So now our ductwork's got to be nice and tight so it can build a pressure. So
Well, let's check it, huh? I can pull that cover off.
you know what I got? I have my.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys are getting charged for Cooper to come back out, I would cancel.
Yeah, let's see if we got all kinds of air blowing out once we take this off. Do you got one?
Yeah, no, I have.
If you don't, I got one.
Yeah, whoever did that, I don't know why they would do that. Is there a stool up here? Yeah, there is. Oh, and you dropped this bus.
Oh, that's my mask.
Yeah, that's what
I
it
should probably have it on, shouldn't I?
is. You're alright. For us, it's policy.
Right. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is part of the problem here.
I like that one.
Yeah,
That's
that's
good.
a lifesaver.
The other half,
Yeah. Oh yeah, this 90-inch sheet metal. Boy, it has saved me.
huh? All kinds.
Yeah, it is. Places where I never thought I could get. This thing is amazing. Yeah, it's not sealed.
You're losing it.
Yeah,
We're
that's
losing it inside the walls.
inside the wall.
Inside all this clean.
Yeah, so I mean that's part of why it's not cooling. It doesn't have to be that it's the reason it's not cooling. There could be. I would have Cooper check the gauges, unless you want me to check the refrigerant.
Oh,
But I'd have to charge you.
how much would you charge?
It is $119 to put the gauges.
Well, we really can't have anybody do that. Like that.
Yeah, because that would void the warranty. Yeah, that's the tricky part about all this is the units. We should, I don't know, is it still the unit should be under warranty, and that's what we.
No, it's a 10-year warranty. But you gotta have them out once a year.
Oh, Cooper?
You gotta have them two. You gotta have them out once a year.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of air. So let me explain to you. So so you have to pay them once a year.
So, I don't think she pays it once a year. No, they have to come out with the service. Because the service work is under warranty, but if there's any extra, yes,
If you didn't be able to check their gauges. So checking the gauges is some of the last things we do.
right?
Just because we don't want to. Imagine if companies do that every year, you lose a little refrigerant every time you look at your gauges. It's just.
That's it. Look at that. Did they do that because there was a register?
I don't know, but you're losing tons of air.
We're losing tons of air through there. Right. So this goes here and now it goes up, right?
Even if there was a register, there's no need for it because.
Yeah, because well, no, they cut this way.
See, in my opinion, you would get a lot more air if you just demo some work, patch that, and patch this. Because there's no reason for you to want to keep this storage room, this utility room cool because it's gonna naturally be cool. I guarantee you it's got to be 68, 71 in here. You
Okay,
know?
so the only thing is this goes over to the kitchen. Okay,
Yep.
so that's our main duct.
Yeah.
And your camera is pretty close, right? It's right here.
Yeah, yep, that's that light. Yeah, you definitely found something. You definitely, yeah, you got it, man. I was skeptical. I was like, you know,
Yeah,
I just
usually
don't want-
ductwork does it, but this house has just been very strange, I'll tell you.
yeah, this was.
Yeah, just leave it. Yeah, we can leave it on.
And if
Because
not,
I'm
turn on the AC. Turn on the AC and see how much cooling we get. You know, I don't know if you want to turn it on now, but that's a big hole in the ductwork. Yeah, you're losing lots of air. It just would entail to cut more of it so you can get a flat piece of sheet metal and just screw it in. You know.
Oh yeah, I have to put it clear up here. But see the way they framed this was a duct, and they put that in. They put that one in, so this was the original duct.
Yeah, that had to be, but I would definitely. There's no reason to have too many ducts downstairs. It's just not. It's not very productive.
So that's a dead end, and then that goes over there. So there isn't anything on this side. Okay, and I don't see any we didn't see any dampers in the main duct.
No.
Looks like we found it, huh?
You definitely found a huge culprit. I mean, when you lose an air like that, that's just gonna take pressure from getting air all the way upstairs.
Oh my.
So if before you guys were lacking air upstairs,
Yep.
by sealing that, you have to get more air. It's just the way it is, you know. It's just the way it's gonna.
Right, exactly. Okay, I'm gonna look over here in the bathroom real quick.
We found it. Are you satisfied? Are you good with? I mean, the bad thing about this is, like I said, we can't see very much, but we were able to see that.
We were able to see that, yeah.
So
And that is a big problem. We're getting a lot of air.
because
going upstairs,
the living room's on this side, right?
Right.
So that's what's lacking air. That's what's lacking the push of air. You know.
Exactly.
In my opinion, I would seal that. If that doesn't do it, I would send my manager out here, Joe, to install some return airs for you guys, which would pull a lot of that hot air out.
Right. Well, we can see that one return air is not working at all with the dollar.
Yeah.
The dollar check.
So
It's not sucking at all.
It's not.
But it may start sucking once we seal that up.
True. Yeah. Because no, you're right. Because we're pushing air in, blowing air out. You know, sucking air out. So I would